Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. When the war started between India and Pakistan, I listen. I am a foreign. First to pehle flat is over. Flat is down. Flat नहीं सी चल रही. But I am very worried. When open airport flat is open, I am foreign flying in Pakistan. I am think that I dead shaheed hona. I dead in Pakistan, not dead in Europe. But I am very happy. We are win. When the war is started, the Prime Minister of India, Modi, fell down. Very and thirthrai and shuttering, buttering, पता नहीं क्या वो thirthrying. And our chief minister and prime minister and falana minister is very aho. And I am very happy. I am sukoon that I am not in Europe and war is started. But we are satisfied. We are win and we are very brave army. Our army is brave and hard working. And the Indian Gaurav do only.